Alright guys, welcome to this tutorial on how you can create a logo in Canva. So first off, I want to say Canva is probably the best free software which you can use to create a logo. There are many aesthetic options, very minimalistic options, and it just looks professional. So first off, we obviously need to go to canva.com, the website, and then we need to select a blank page for a logo which is 500 by 500 pixels. Now we can exit out of the main website which was loaded, and here we can just look at some already created logos. Now people, like I said, extremely clean, they create extremely clean logos for their brands, for their websites, for their businesses. So look at this: Larana Incorporated, Alexander Technology, Beauty.co or co. So yeah guys, we can create something like this. I'm going to show you how you can create your own logo like this, or at least something similar. I'm just gonna clear out of this, maybe leave the background color, and just click on the icon or the element you want to remove, and then click the delete sign, the bin sign. So let's begin with elements. As you can see, we got plenty of elements which we can use here. We got different types of lines, we got different shapes as well, and if you want to search for something in particular, you can just search for it here. Now I want to create a logo for a house or something like that, so I'm just going to search house, and as you can see, many of the things pop up, many of these things pop up. Now there are some which would require you have the pro version, but the pro version you can use completely free for 30 days. So if you want to try it out, you can also do that. For now, I'm just going to go with the free version. Okay, honey. And let's say I'm gonna use this one right here. Okay. So I'm just gonna center it like that. And you guys have probably heard of the band, The Neighborhood. Well, this has nothing to do with it. This brand is The Neighbor, not to be confused with The Neighborhood. So let's say I got this white house. It doesn't really go well with the color, but what can you do? You can change it. That's what you can do actually. So let's make it black. That's how you change colors for some of the elements. You can customize it. You can customize almost anything. So I'm happy with this element right here. This is the house that I want to use. So what am I going to do for text? Let's say you want to add your brand's text here. So I'm just going to select this one, font combination. And as you can see, there are two separate parts. Thank you. So you can select or click on either, double click, and then you can change the font size. So I'm going to make this font like 12. Okay, sorry about that. Some idiot decided it would be nice to blast his music at 3 p.m. Anyways, like I said, maybe 10 is a little bit too small, or 12, whatever. So I'm going to make it 24. And this one, the top one is going to say the. You can, of course, rearrange it however you like, move it around, and this one is gonna say neighbor, but we need to change the font size definitely, so maybe like 40. Yeah, that works. And you can pretty much just center it however you like, but let's say we want to combine two things. So the is one font size and one font type. Neighbor is going to be with this font size. So I'm going to write 30 here. So it's not overly big. That's what you didn't say. And we're going to say neighbor here, or type neighbor here. You can rotate it and stuff like that. You can resize it also. Rotate. Like I said, you just have to select this little button, and then we can create our logo. So this is the basic logo which I created, kind of ugly to be honest, not gonna lie, but this was just a way of showing you how you can create a logo yourself. Now I'm sure you guys are more creative than me. You can make way better logos. So for example, you could have used something like this or something like this, super aesthetic and completely free, but it really comes down to creativity. You guys can do it. You guys can create a logo, and how you can save it afterwards is you press on the file and then you click download or make a copy, you decide. So yeah guys, this is how you make a logo in Canva. Thank you for watching. Take care everyone.